Hi there! This video is a step-by-step guide on how to fill out and submit your enrollment form through our Made for Learners Freshman Quick link. For your convenience, we've added the link in this video's caption. Also, we have timestamps for you to skip to pages you have problems proceeding to. Let's start by clicking in this link.
This redirects you to the Google Forms page. Once you're here, the form prompts you to read the initial instructions before you proceed in order for you to not miss any requirements in the middle of filling out the form. When you're done, scroll down and type your active email address, as this is one of our means of contacting you on your admission updates. Next, read the agreement, then click I accept. Click the next button to proceed. The next page of the form asks for your personal information. Remember that questions with a red asterisk symbol at the end means they require an answer, so don't leave them blank. Type your family name, first name, and middle name on the corresponding bars. Select your gender. Type your nationality and religion. Type your birth date and your birthplace. Select your civil status. Enter your permanent address, which is the province or city where you came from. Then your permanent address contact number if there's any. Your present or Cebu home address, which is your address here in Cebu. Then, your present or Cebu home contact number if there's any. Next, type your personal mobile number. Make sure that this is the number you're currently using, as CIT may contact you through this. The question requires an answer, so let's fill this in. Finally, type your Facebook account link. You can do this by either going to your personal account and copy the link in the address bar, or if you're on your mobile phone, you can go to your personal account, click the profile settings button, scroll down until you see your profile link. Click the copy link, go back to the Google form, and paste it like so. As a final reminder, the page reminds you to check if you entered the correct contact information such as your mobile number, Facebook account, and email address. Once you're set, click the I have read and understood and proceed to the next page of the form. This page is for the uploading of the requirements listed on page 1. Upload your Form 138 or Senior High School Report Card, PSA Authenticated Birth Certificate, and your Certificate of Good Moral Character. However, if you cannot present any or all of the forms required, you may submit them at a later time once normalcy is restored. You may proceed to the next page. For the next page, we encourage you to read through our Made for Learners Framework Primer to learn more about our education mode of delivery, the different approaches, how to plot your schedule, and other things you should know before you proceed. Once you're done, click Next. The next page contains the list of available programs that CIT University offers. Select the program that you intend to enroll in. Select your preferred start of schooling. Read the notice first. Then click I have read and understood. Proceed to the next page. This page is for the information regarding the last school you attended. First, give the complete name of the last school you attended. Avoid putting the school's acronym. The address of the last school you attended, the year you graduated from your senior high school, and the strand you took on your senior high. Let's proceed to the next page. This page is required for your emergency contacts. Provide the contact person's name, your relation with the contact person's current address, and finally, the contact person's number. You can type in either his or her landline or mobile number. This page contains additional terms and agreement about the documents you have uploaded in this form. Make sure to read each term carefully before you proceed, and click I have read and understood. The last card of the page requires you to upload any valid ID or proof of identity bearing your name. Click the Add File to upload an image of your proof. Moving on to the next page. This page contains other important instructions. We ask you to take a screenshot and save this page to be reminded of the next steps to take after submitting the form. When you're done grabbing a screenshot and reading each instruction, you may proceed to the next page. CIT University offers different payment options. Find your preferred payment method and read each through the instructions on how to send your payment. Save these infographics for reference if you intend to pay later, or you can click this link here to be redirected to our Drive folder containing the different payment methods procedure. Once you're done, click Next. This is the last page of our enrollment form. Click Submit when you're done. You should receive an auto-generated response on your email confirming that you have successfully submitted your enrollment form.
Congratulations! All you have to do now is to wait for a confirmation email from our admissions office. Refer to the page screenshot you saved containing the other instructions for you to know what to do next. And before you go, we highly encourage you to like and click the See First under the following button on our Facebook page to stay updated on our future posts and notifications. Till then, keep safe and stay healthy.